Hi friends, welcome to English with Alice. I'm Alice, and today we're learning everyday English vocabulary for shopping and markets like a local. Do you ever struggle to ask for prices or bargain in English? Imagine going to a bustling Lahore bazaar and confidently saying, "How much for this apple?" This video is perfect for A1-A2 beginners. We'll go through fun phrases and role plays to make you a shopping pro. By the end of this video, you'll know all about colors, sizes, prices, and even how to bargain. Are you ready? Repeat after me. I'm ready to shop in English. Awesome. Now, let's head to the market. First, let's start with some basic vocabulary for items you see at the market. A great way to start is by simply describing what you see. Let's talk about colors first. We have red for an apple, green for a banana, or blue for a shirt. Then we have sizes, small, medium, and large. Let's put it together in an example. Holding this apple, I can say, this apple is red and medium size. See, easy. Now, what about the banana? We can say, this banana is yellow and small. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and try with something you have nearby. Pick an item and say, this item is this color and this size. Go ahead. Great job. In Pakistani markets, you can also use this to ask about how fresh things are. You can ask, is this fruit fresh? Or, to ask about quantity, you could say, how many for 100 rupees? See, you're already sounding like a local. Now that we can describe things, let's move on to the really important part, prices and bargaining. Now, let's talk about prices. This is a key skill for any market adventure. To ask for the price, you can say, how much is this? Or what's the price? The seller might answer with something like, it's 50 rupees each. Now for the fun part, bargaining. Just like you would in Anarkoli Bazaar. You can say, can you make it cheaper? How about 30 rupees? Or you can say, that's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? The seller might then reply, okay, 40 rupees is the final price. A fun tip, when you agree on a price, smile and say, good deal. It makes the whole experience friendly. Let's pause and practice. Pretend you're bargaining for a shirt. First, ask the price. How much is this? Now, try to lower it. Can you lower the price? You can do it. Try it out loud. Yes. Using these words makes shopping so much more fun and gives you confidence. No more just pointing at things now, you can use your words. Let's put all of this into practice with some role plays. It's time for some role plays to practice like you're in a real market. Let's start with scenario 1. Buying fruit. I'll be the customer first. Hello. How much for these apples? Now I'll be the seller. 100 rupees for 5. Back to the customer. Can you make it 80? Are they fresh? Seller. Deal. 90 rupees. Now for scenario 2, at a clothes store. As the customer, this blue shirt in a medium size, what's the price? Seller. That's 200 rupees. Now, let's bargain. How about 150? Is it good quality? And to finish the deal, you say, "Thank you, here's the money." Now, let's switch roles. I want you to pause the video and pretend you're the seller. Say something like, "What do you want? How much is it?" Then reply as the customer. Go on, try it. Time for a quick quiz. What's the phrase you use to ask for a lower price? Did you say, "Make it cheaper"? You got it. Practicing like this really helps you sound like a local shopper. You can practice at home or even try it out in a real market. You did it. You've learned the essential everyday English for shopping and markets. Let's quickly review the key phrases we learned today. How much is this? This is red and medium. Can you make it cheaper? And good deal. Now, for a final quiz. In a market, when you want to ask for the price, what do you say? The answer is ... How much is this? Correct. Here's a challenge for you. The next time you go shopping, or even just pretend to, try using one of these phrases. Then come back here and comment below. I bargained for a ... double quotes and tell me what item you got. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to English with Alice for more practical vocabulary lessons. Our next video is a 30-day challenge you won't want to miss. And don't forget to turn on the bell for weekly tips. From Pakistan, now you can shop like a pro. Thanks for watching. See you at the market.